In this video I will show you how to resolve XAMPP MySQL port 3306 conflict issue. When you try to run Apache server and MySQL server in XAMPP, then you might get this issue from MySQL server. Port 3306 is use. MySQL will not start without configure ports. Actually, this issue occur because in your local system port 3306 is used by other program. So for MySQL server we have to assign other port. So first of all stop both MySQL and Apache server. Next click on config, then my.ini file next to MySQL server. Then we have to replace port 3306 in two place. One in client and another in server. If 3307 also do not work, then you can try 3308 and other similar port. Save the file and then try to run the MySQL server and it should work. Close XAMPP and start both Apache and MySQL server and both should work now. Now MySQL port conflict is resolved successfully. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.